Let's now understand how we can work with roots. And we will do it by using our Numpy library and Scipy library. Numpy library is used for simple mathematical stuff, and Scipy library is also used for mathematical stuff, but for complex mathematical stuff. So we will start our code by importing numpy as np, which will import Numpy library as np, and root comes under scipy.optimize. So we will import root from scipy.optimize. We will not import whole Scipy library. So to do that, we will say from scipy.optimize import root, and this will import root from scipy.optimize. Let's now define a function. So we will say def is a keyword to define a function in Python, and I'm naming my function as a root func, which is root function, and I'm passing an argument x, the value which will be returned to this x by this function to this and stored in this x. Simple programming. Well, this will return an equation which will give us x plus 3.5 into np, which is numpy dot cos x, which in maths term is some value of x plus 3.5 into cos x, cos of x. After making our function and assigning our value, and after doing that, let's make a variable. Let's make a variable with the name of root value, which will give us our root value, and we will equate it to root which we have imported from scipy.optimize, and we will pass some argument in this root function. In parentheses, we will pass our function, which is the root func, and we will pass 0.3. And after running this, and after running root value, let's check our root value, and we can do it by simply saying that root value, and after running that, we will get the values which we have optimized or got, or our root value which is stored with the help of root value. So these are some details which this function will give.